Mark.
"40 seconds until liftoff."
T-minus 30 seconds. Mark.
"20 seconds till liftoff."
T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have engine start. Liftoff Antares NG-13 mission with Wallops Flight Facility. Engines at 100%. Attitude nominal. TVC's nominal. Core pressures are nominal. Engine chamber pressures are nominal. Attitude nominal. Power subsystem nominal. Altitude 10,000 feet. Attitude nominal. Core system performance nominal. Engine and TVC systems nominal. Velocity 1,100 feet per second. Attitude continues nominal. Max Q, attitude nominal. Power subsystem continues nominal. Altitude 50K feet. Engine steady, 100%. Core VNG3 activated. Attitude nominal. 3,000 feet per second. Attitude nominal.
Coming up on 2 minutes into the flight, they've passed maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Engine and TVC system remains nominal. 100,000 feet altitude.
2 minutes into flight.
Core pressures nominal. Engine steady, 100%.
A minute and a half to go in first stage performance.
Attitude nominal. 150K feet altitude. Engine steady, pressures nominal. (8,000 feet per second). Core pressures are nominal. Engines at 100%.
Coming up on 3 minutes into flight.
Low throttle down initiated. MECO slew maneuver initiated. Attitude nominal. Engines at 55% and nominal. (14,000 feet per second). Main engine cutoff.
Main engine cutoff confirmed. Standing by for stage 1 separation.
Upper ACS enabled. Stage 1 SEP.
Stage 1 separation confirmed. The next milestone is fairing separation, which will come in about 40 seconds.
Altitude 100 kilometers. Roughly 15 seconds to stage 2 ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Fairing separation.
4 minutes into flight.
Interstage separation.
Interstage separation confirmed.
Attitude nominal. Stage 2 ignition.
And Stage 2 ignition is confirmed. Stage 2 is that solid rocket fuel that will burn for about 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Burnout will come about 7 minutes and 9 seconds into flight.
Stage 2 will burn for roughly 2 more minutes. Power subsystem nominal. Stage 2 attitude nominal. Stage 2 TVC system performance nominal. Power subsystems continue nominal. FTS nominal.
FTS.
TVC nominal. Roughly 100 seconds till Stage 2 burnout.
100 sekund. Na first second.
Vehicle systems nominal. TVC system performance nominal. Attitude nominal. Roughly 1 minute and Stage 2 burnout. 6 kilometers per second velocity, 183 kilometers altitude.
Hot mic on countdown 1. Hot mic.
Vehicle performance nominal. Good attitude. Good power subsystems. 30 seconds to Stage 2 burnout. System continues to perform nominally, heading into burnout. Stage 2 burnout.
Stage 2 burnout confirmed. Cygnus now moving about 16,822 miles per hour.
ACS enabled. Beginning maneuver to acquire payload separation attitude. Power nominal. The vehicle will continue to coast until conditions are met for payload separation.
Cygnus separation will come about 9 minutes and 4 seconds into flight.
Attitude nominal, roughly 1 minute to payload separation. ACS and power subsystems nominal, attitude nominal. Altitude, 197 kilometers. 30 seconds to payload separation. Vehicle subsystems continue to operate nominal. Roughly 15 seconds to payload separation.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. The wireless customer you called is not available at this time. Please try your call again later. Announcement 1, switch 170-3.
We have payload separation.
Welcome to Verizon.
And spacecraft separation confirmed.
Called is not available at this time. Please try your call again later. Announcement 1.
Beginning CCAM maneuver.
170-3